Hi, this is Tim Brennan from Brennan Landscaping, the Segway Navimow dealer for the Capital Region. So hey, we got the new X430 here. This is a 1 acre unit and it's all-wheel drive, 17-inch cut. You can cut 2 to 4 inches. And it's got front articulating wheels so you can do zero turn on hills or wherever, no turning, no ruts. It's great. And we've got the charging station in the base here. And this is what the mower goes into. And then here we have a cable for extension for the base, charging base. We've got your power source and an antenna for RTK if you do need it, but it's not going to be needed in this area because it does have network RTK on the mower now. So it's great. And it's got a set of blades for the whole season, four different changes. And yeah, this thing's going to be a beast. It goes anywhere. It'll mow, this is 1 acre, but we also have it in 1.5 acre, 3 acre, and 6 acre models. You can buy them right on our website, BrennanLandscapingInc.com. First responders, military, veterans get 15% off. You'll have to call me so I can send you an invoice for that with the code on it. And then municipal, schools, you get 20% off. And hey, any mower. So BrennanLandscapingInc.com, 518-346-8266, BrennanLandscapingInc.com.